One of the most common reasons your Galaxy S25 suddenly goes silent on notifications is because it's still connected to Bluetooth, sending every ping and alert straight to your earbuds or speaker instead of your phone's speaker. Other possible causes include disabled notification categories, missing sound or vibration permissions for specific apps, minor software glitches, and even settings changes after transferring data. In this video, you'll learn 5 quick but effective fixes to bring back your notification sounds. So follow along and you'll be back to hearing your notifications again. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video or drop a comment if you've got other device issues you'd like me to cover. Now, let's jump right into the troubleshooting steps and get your phone back to normal. The first thing you need to do is turn off Bluetooth. This ensures your notification sounds go through your phone's speaker instead of connected devices. To make sure that's not the issue, open Settings, tap Connections, then Bluetooth, and toggle the switch off. If this doesn't fix the problem, then the issue might be a bit more serious. So try the next solution. The second fix is to enable notification categories for each app. Without them, apps may stay silent or use default settings. To check on that, open Settings, tap Notifications, then Advanced Settings, and toggle on Manage Notification Categories for each app. This gives each app full control over its own alert sounds. Next, check your app's sound and vibration permissions. Even with notifications allowed, the sound or vibration could be disabled for specific apps. To make sure that's not the case, go to Settings. Tap Apps. Select the app you're having issues with. Tap Notifications. Choose the category like Chats or Alerts and ensure both sound and vibration are turned on. If you still can't hear notifications, try resetting all settings. This removes hidden misconfigurations without erasing your personal data. To do this, go to Settings. Tap General Management, then Reset. Choose Reset All Settings and confirm your choice. Once done, test if the notification sounds are back. Finally, reassign your notification sounds. Sometimes, data transfers or updates can clear custom tones. To make sure your sounds are set properly, open Settings, tap Sounds and Vibration, then Notification Sound, and select a global tone. For app-specific tones, go to Settings, tap Apps, choose the app, tap Notifications, then Notification Categories, and assign your preferred sound. These steps should be enough to restore your Galaxy S25's notification sounds, but you can always consult a professional if the problem continues. Subscribe for more helpful tips, and thanks for watching.